crashed into it. I'll show you what happened. Whoa, that's a truck. That pole just got knocked out, I guess. But look at that car. Look at that water. Who the heck? Oh, wow. Someone really... Oh, look at that pole. Wow. Look at my truck. I guess someone tried to run or something.